Hello everybody up here! Hello everybody, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. So today we are reviewing a cell phone tripod. So let's go ahead and get unboxing. By the way guys, could you go ahead and do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content coming your way. Also, if you're interested, you can find this product in my video description. There will be a link directly to go and check out this product, price, specs, and everything in between. Okay, so first off we have a little manual here, but it's probably pretty simple to figure out. So we're going to see if we can do it without figuring out the manual. Okay. Well, first of all, we see this goes in here. Oh, that's pretty cool. Check this out, guys. This bends. I'm guessing. Okay. So let's see. Yes. This goes in here like so. So untwist the cap here. Like this. Put this through. Put the ball inside the case, carrying case. Okay, now set up your tripod by opening it, the legs. You can have it standing up like this, you know, at different angles. You can even have it flat on the ground if you'd like. Whatever's going to work best for you. There's also a little twist right here to keep it from moving as well once you have it to the perfect position. So here, let's zoom up. Here you're going to twist it, and now you can lift this even higher. So we're going to put it at the perfect height that we want, and you basically, wow, this can go really high. I think we're going to the moon, guys. We are headed to the moon. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. This thing, we are headed to the moon, guys. Look at this. Alright, we're going to max it out just to see how high it goes. Alright. Hello everybody up here. Okay, so we take off this little cap that's on the top here. Now we screw in what looks to be like a bronze piece. We are almost at the ceiling. That is look at this, guys. This thing goes, we're headed to Mars. Well, if you want to get good selfies from way up here. Alright, there we go. So let's go ahead and rotate our camera out here. So we're going to now do our cell phone. Now let's see. Let's see how this exactly works here. So normally these pull out, or one of them pulls out, and there's normally a button here that you press somewhere. Okay, so I did have some technical difficulties, and I want to point what those were. Let's see if we can get in closer here. Once I fixed it, it's working. So pulling these out, can you guys see this? So that's how you're able to fit bigger phones and stuff. Well, they wouldn't pull out; they were stuck. I thought they didn't pull out. Turns out, I mean, I had to basically pull really hard and break. It looks like the plastic was still melted on both, so it wasn't separated. So if you can't pull these apart, what you do is go by one corner, take your thumb. You might want to have your husband or boyfriend or someone do it. I mean, of course, you might be able to do it. So you press up in the corner as hard as you can until the first corner snaps, and then do it to the second corner. Same for the bottom. So there we go. Now let's go ahead and test this out. So, alright. So for my phone, this has a thick battery case on it, so this should be a little interesting. And hopefully we have it set the right way. We might not. Like, it might be upside down, I'm not sure. Alright, so it's holding. Now, it could fall over. Boosh! That's why you set the legs at the bottom. For more support, you loosen this one up and you spread it out like this. That gives you a better top end support, so it's not going to fall over as easy. So you spread it out. Let's go ahead and check out. So there we got the phone. Let's zoom out here. So that's how it looks. Let's go ahead and record a little session here. See how it feels. Alright, switch the camera over here. Get it positioned to where we want it. What's going on, guys? So we are filming while we're filming, 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 while we're filming. Okay, so you get the point. Wow, I like this. I don't have the greatest phone for video quality, but I do like this stand a lot. It is good for, I like it. This is pretty cool. So hands-free recording, great for vlogs, whatever you want to do it with. Yeah, overall, like I said, you can put iPad on here, all kinds of different stuff. Overall, this is pretty cool. Let's see if we can zoom you guys up in here. So yeah, good setup, good support. Overall handy. This is going to come in good. Yeah, this is going to come in very handy for me with recording videos. So yeah, I'm happy with this. You can, rotate it different angles, bend it up so you can face it different ways. If you want to go real high, bend it straight up, turn it down. So basically now you're looking down, different angle, different views, different selfies. How about we get a selfie? Let's get a selfie. Alright, let's do a timed selfie. Don't worry guys, we'll get back to the video. I'm just enjoying this, I don't even know how to do timed selfies on this. Wide selfie, what's this? So many settings, I don't even know what I'm doing with these settings. Sound and shoot. Oh wow, I didn't even know we have the effects. How do we deal with timed? Do we hold it? No. Okay, anyway, that's my cell phone now. Yeah, love this. I think we're going to have to give this a 9 out of 10. Yeah, Could be a 10 out of 10. Hard to say. After I use it, get more familiar with it. Definitely a 9 out of 10 for now. Thank you guys for watching. Like I said, link is in the video description where you guys can find this for a great price. I'm extremely happy. In fact, we're probably going to go set it over in the corner here. So doing vlogs when I'm working out and stuff with the phone. Actually, man, I almost wish I had a second one so I can have one down here and one upstairs. Maybe I need to get a second one. It's that cool. I think it's probably worth it. Some investments are worth it, my friends. Please hit that subscribe button. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you guys. Have a great day.